got interested in science when my 5th grade class did an experiment where we cut the stem of a flower in half and put half of the stem in red water and the other half in blue water. After a few days, the flower turned red and blue. This might not sound that exciting, but when I was 10 years old, I was fascinated that it was so easy to take something that already existed and turn it into something new, or better. As a chemical and biological engineering major, I pretty much live in the engineering center. I spend just about all my time studying things like heat transfer, thermodynamics, and applied data analysis, which is really just a boring way of saying I learn different ways to make cool stuff. There are a lot of different areas of chemical and biological engineering. The area that I'm interested in is called biopharmaceuticals. Scientists who study biopharmaceuticals work to make new types of medicine from parts of living organisms like proteins, DNA, and RNA. I'm sure all of you have heard of Bill Gates, and some of you have probably heard of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. If you haven't, Bill Gates and his wife Melinda work to help people in developing countries get things that they don't have that are essential for a productive life, like vaccines and other types of medicine. This is a great idea, but there are a few problems. One of the biggest problems is that some of the chemicals in medicine are sensitive to things like big changes in temperature and other things that they might go through while being shipped around the world. Also, some of them don't have a very long shelf life, and if they aren't used right away, they can go bad, just like food, and then they get wasted. This is where science comes in. Scientists, especially people who study biopharmaceuticals, work to solve problems like these so we can help people around the world and in our own country have a longer, healthier life. This is exactly what I want to do with my life. To have a career dedicated to using science to give people a better quality of life. To me, science is a hope and a promise for a better future. Whether you live in a country that has a Starbucks and a McDonald's on every corner, or somewhere that doesn't have a vaccine for polio, we all have room for improvement, and that's what science is for.